Epson has unveiled the LifeStudio Grand EH-LS970, a next-generation ultra-short-throw, UST, 4K laser projector designed to serve as a true television replacement for modern living spaces. Positioned as the successor to the popular EH-LS800, the new model combines high brightness, premium audio, and refined design, targeting home cinema enthusiasts who value both performance and aesthetics. The EH-LS970 is scheduled to launch in April 2026. At the core of the EH-LS970 is Epson's 3LCD laser projection technology, delivering a native 4K UHD resolution, 3840 x 2160, without the rainbow artifacts commonly associated with single-chip DLP projectors. With a brightness rating of up to 4000 lumens, the projector is capable of producing vivid, high-contrast images even in rooms with ambient light, making it suitable for everyday TV viewing as well as cinematic movie nights. Thanks to its ultra-short-throw lens with a throw ratio of 0.16 to 0.40 to 1, the LS970 can project an image of up to 150 inches while being placed just a few centimeters from the wall. This compact placement not only saves space but also allows the projector to blend seamlessly into contemporary interiors. Epson further enhances image quality with AI-powered image optimization, ensuring sharp details, accurate colors, and improved contrast across different types of content. Audio is another highlight of the EH-LS970. Like other models in Epson's LifeStudio lineup, it features an integrated Bose sound system with Dolby Audio, delivering rich, room-filling sound without the immediate need for external speakers. Smart functionality is provided via built-in Google TV, offering access to major streaming platforms, including Netflix, straight out of the box. For gamers, the projector includes an ALM gaming mode with an input lag of under 20 milliseconds, while film lovers will appreciate the extremely quiet operation, rated at just 29 decibels or 18 decibels in silent mode. The laser light source offers a lifespan of up to 20,000 hours, backed by a generous 5-year warranty. With energy-saving modes, recyclable packaging, and long-lasting components, the EH-LS970 also reflects Epson's ongoing commitment to sustainability. Overall, it stands out as a powerful, stylish, and versatile centerpiece for the modern home entertainment setup.